What is this? Camera.
Recording, yeah.
Recording.
Camera.
Record ako kanino.
Hi. Philippines, hi.
Hi, kuno, hi.
Sir.
Thailand.
Thailand.
Sawadika.
I'm pure Filipino.
No?
You're from Taiwan.
Belong.
Below the Taiwan.
Belong.
But your island is also part of Taiwan.
Yeah, small island. Small island. Yan like Phong Yang Long Phong. And Womanese. Speak Womanese. Small English. Ni hao. Mayong adlaw sa inyong tanan diha karon natay na mao na nindag litsyon tara lahos ta. Bumalabap. Song song yang lai phong nei na. Rakutin sushin fuji lok foi tongwa. Wa mani yatani itsinep yukuluk song yang wang nei. Phong yan. Ni hao. Food. Delicious.
Yes. It's lechon.
Lechon.
Yeah, we call that one lechon baboy.
Baboy.
Meaning pig. Yeah.
Good.
Are you from?
We speak Womanese. Small English.
No, the origin of your country.
Next to Taiwan. Next to
Ah.
Taiwan. Yeah. Woman.
Woman.
Yeah.
Okay. If you like, you can have. You can eat here with rice.
With rice.
Yes.
Good.
It's very delicious. And there is vinegar with salt. You do as a sauce. And then here, we have rice here.
Pork.
Yes. Just 1/4 if you want.
Okay. 先来福地影呢，能 rakutin 啊，首先呼吸呢，方言呢，你small English recording. Small
Yeah.
English.
But you can understand.
Yeah. Small.
Okay. You're from Taiwan.
Belong.
Below the Taiwan.
Belong.
But your island is also part of Taiwan.
Yeah. Small island. Small island. Yan like Phong Yang Long Phong and Womanese. Speak Womanese. Small English.
Where did you? In what hotel you are checking now?
Travel.
Here?
Yeah. Travel.
Okay, good. But many of us are buying because this is still hot and
Hot.
still delicious.
Fresh.
Yes.
Fresh.
Take some taste so that you will know. Okay, go.
Good.
This is the skin.
The skin.
Yes, the skin of the lechon. We call it one lechon.
Lechon.
Here, it's so crunchy.
Crunchy.
Yes,
Good.
very delicious. I know Taiwanese are eating pig. That's why you have to taste
pork,
it. One.
yeah. Are you owner? Owner here?
No, I am the barkas, the best friend of the owner. This is the owner.
What is there?
Good. Good.
Good. You want some?
Good. Very good.
Very delicious, right? 25 minutes.
Philippines.
Yes. Have some. Order.
I will try.
Yeah.
Yan yung phong yao long phong à.
So only half. 1/4. You want?
Yan lang yung phong no.
Just tell me in English.
1/4.
1/4.
1
This is 1 kilo.
kilo.
And then you take half this one, 1/4.
1
Meaning, pilay 1/4 oy. Ilang 1/4 ani? You just pay 188 peso.
上來phong yao nè.
Oh,
Yan yung long phong
What?
phong yao nè.
Oh.
Có tin nè. Suy xin phụ gì yao. Wa mani tani. Sinita. Yu buluk siyong phong yao.
English first.
Small English.
Yeah, if you can talk that on the one you talk, so that I can understand you. 1/4.
上來yung phong.
Yeah, 1/4.
Base.
This is,
Base.
you will pay like this. 188. Okay, peso.
Pay.
Okay.
上來phong yang nè.
Unsa man is yung kwarta? This is the Taiwanese money? You don't have any dollars?
Peso.
Peso.
Yeah. The Philippine
Cash.
currency.
Cash.
I know. But
Cash.
Singapore. How much is this one? Convert it ah.
Opo, hindi ko nagdanay. Number sa ito.
上來用風鈴能能定呢
This
話
is
話
only $2.
$2.
$2, how much in peso?
Singapore to
Kamo niya ipalit og 1/4.
Delicious.
So delicious.
Good.
That one is only the skin.
Owner.
Yeah.
Cashier.
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 Philippine?
Of course.
Philippine.
Oh, taste that.
Already.
$2.
Yeah.
Taste, this is the
Meat.
meat. Yes. You can eat with rice. It's so delicious. And then have a sauce with vinegar and salt.
Good.
Okay. So, pila uy.
Cook.
Pila.
You cook?
Cashier.
Cashier.
Ganun. Pukulong ka.
You cook?
Yes.
Good.
Good.
Siya lại phong ấy nè.
Yeah.
Nhà lại phúc tôi ngon nè.
Yeah.
Nó chuông đấy.
Yeah, cook.
Nó chuông này.
No Taiwanese.
Nó chuông này.
Cannot understand Taiwanese.
Vietnamese?
No, Filipino.
Philippines, sir.
Filipino.
Filipino.
Yes, sir.
Filipino.
Filipino.
Look nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one fourth, sir, one fourth.
Thailand.
No.
Sawadika. You Thailand?
No.
Ilan mo ko lang kanin.
You
Nakay kondom? Nakay cellphone? In convert ang $2, $2 Singapore dollars to peso.
Rice ko, rice.
Google.
Siya lại yang.
Convert kay basig hindi kabot sir. Lagi dawat na to di rin ni kabot og 188.
Ilan ka $2 sa what?
Phong yang
Singapore.
này.
Ang 1 Singapore dollar,
Siyang to yang này
43.20
no.
pesos.
Times 5. O times 2 ra kayo eh.
What is this? Camera.
Recording, yeah.
Recording.
Camera.
Record na ka kanino?
Hi.
Hi,
Philippines.
hi. Hi, kuno, hi.
Sir.
Thailand.
Thailand.
Sawadika.
I'm pure Filipino.
No?
Sir. You give me 5 Singapore dollars so that you can buy it will be lechon.
More?
More.
Siyang lại yào là phong nọ người đánh nè. Ang nak phong này nè, ang rakutin, siya siya po.
1 Singapore,
One?
44 only, 44 pesos.
1 Singapore, 43.
Oh, 43 pesos. So times 2 is only 88. So give me 5 or another 2.
Pastig.
Yeah, warang ko'y kwarta lain, maglakaw, ko'y guli.
Wala ko ma-prank.
Gawin siya.
Ipatilaw. Be, it's a prank. So,
Ma'am, sorry kayo, ma'am. Thailander.
that's why if you are here, if you are really a Taiwanese, you cannot make any fake because Filipino is more than educated than in Taiwanese.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Prank na, ma'am. Ay,
dala.
kung sampo na ko, ma'am. Hindi, magkawa na ko rin. Ma'am.
Diba mo? Sige na, tilaw good.
Oh, sige na kong tilaw.
Ikaon man ka diya.
Magkawa na yun.
Ato na may gawa pa nito na ako. Hello.
Nagsugo na ko, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Bakit mo gawas na prank? Pero ningon ko, di mailad ang mga
Ay,
Pilipino.
buotan kayo si ma'am.
Di mailad ang mga Pilipino.
Buotan kayo, gipatilaw yun. Happy na naurot yun.
Di mo mo gini batasan na to.
Mao yun.
Bisag unsa pa bisag wanay ato, batilaw majud ka. Sige go, mura sa kikag Taiwanese. Wala sa kit madam na.
Wamanis.
Wamanis.
Bako mo rin sa sir in person.
Ah, nawaway. Wow, manis.
Kana Taiwan isya. Ato na Mr. Roy. Ako rin na proud sa iyong buntag.
Salamat kayo, ma'am. Salamat kayo, ma'am. Guys, na ako diri sa may Paparts Lechon, diri sa Ibabaw, Agus, Lapu-Lapu at bang rani sa Winrich Hotel. Makita na rani mo diri ilahang display. Every Sunday rani ilang lechon, guys. Nya every day ni ilang mga sudan, daghan silang sudan kapilian. Nay mga afritada, humba, paklay, dinuguan, nay linatang baboy, nay larang ug uban pa. Nya naasad sila lechon manok ug liempo. Pwede rasad kanila mo order online, guys. I-visit lang na ilahang page ang My Paparts Lechon. Tara akong gi-order, guys. Lechon ay daghan kay kubalo or panit ba. Ato ning tilawan ron nasa ilarang nga naibihod, init pa kayong sabaw. May gani nakaabot pa ko sa mga sudan diri kay permira ba ni sold out diri ilaha. First bite. Guys, lambiya sa ilang lechon oy. Crispy kayong panit, nya munod humo kayo. Juicy pa gyud kayo. Nya kumpleto mas lamas aw perting humuta. Nya di sad palupig ilang larang guys. Lami kay sabaw. Ang iyang isda kay presko kayo. Lami ay higup-higupo na niya. Kumo kayong unod sad ba. May kay muluto si Bus Paparts. Shout out ko ni Bus Paparts ug ni Ma'am Grace. Aprobado sa mga immortal inyong mga sudan.